Algebra OST Spring 2024 release test questions number 13. It says an expression is given. Create an equivalent expression using the fewest terms as possible. So this is a combine like terms problem. So we have a binomial or a two-term polynomial here being added to a two-term polynomial here, another binomial. So the addition sign doesn't affect anything. All we're going to do is we're going to add the like terms which have the same variables to the same exponents. So the 3x squared is a like term with the negative 2x squared. So we're going to do 3 minus 2, which is 1. So that's 1x squared. We don't change the x squared, we leave it alone. And then the other two terms are just constants or numbers, positive 3 and positive 7. So we do 3 plus 7 is 10, and that's plus 7. So our answer here is you can either have 1x squared plus 10, or you don't need the 1, just x squared plus 10. So when we type it in, right, I would just do x. You can use the squared button down here or shift 6, squared, arrow to the right, plus 10. Now, one of the ways that you can try to check this using Desmos is we can type these in as they look and see if they're the same thing. So watch this. So I'm going to delete my writing. I'm going to go into Desmos, calculator. I'm going to type in the original problem. And again, I guess if you don't know what to do, you can always just type in the original problem. Let me move this out of the way, sorry. Okay, slide that over. That's being, there we go, finicky. All right, perfect. All right, so I'm going to type in parentheses 3x squared plus 3, close parentheses, plus parentheses, negative 2x squared plus 7. Okay, so you see that right there? And now I'm going to type in the next box, x squared plus 10. If they're equivalent, they should be on top of each other. X squared plus 10. And boom, look, if you look at the graph, I can turn off the blue and it's the red. They're directly on top of each other. I know that I am right because these two expressions graphed to be the same thing, so they are equivalent.